Hey, how are y'all doing today? In this video, I wanted to just update y'all on our new refrigerator. It's new to us, it's not brand new, but we had bought it from some friends that they had got a new refrigerator and they had posted this one on Facebook and Tony saw it. So the next day, him and Kendrick went over there and got it and brought it home, and I cleaned it up. It wasn't really dirty, I just needed to really disinfect it. Just because I wanted to, but we've had it for a couple of weeks now. Now, the thing about our old refrigerator is when we moved in this house over 17 years ago, we bought the other refrigerator from the guy that lived here before. And so it was a good refrigerator for probably 7 or 8 years, and then it just started getting to where it wasn't as cold anymore. The milk would recently, in the last couple of years, it would go bad within a couple of days, 2 to 4 days, the milk would be bad. If we put meat in our refrigerator before we put it in the freezer, that would be bad, and sometimes one day, or if we was lucky 2, so we really couldn't do that anymore. We could barely buy produce because it went bad in a couple of days. So if it wasn't something we was going to use that day or maybe the next day, we couldn't buy it at all. And I can't tell you how much money we've wasted on food in the last probably at least 7 years, just because we couldn't really afford to have all the money at once to buy a new refrigerator. But, we was steady buying food that was going bad too. So this refrigerator is great. The only thing is Tony couldn't get the ice maker to work. It works, but it leaks on the inside of the refrigerator. And he worked on it for a few days, and I just said, just unhook it, no biggie. Because if you're an ice eater like me, I like going to the nutrition store and getting a bag of the crushed ice, the little tiny ice. I love that ice. So I'm not even worried about really an ice maker with the cubed ice as much. What I was worried about is having a really cold refrigerator where our food don't go bad. So I've realized that milk has lasted us at least 2 weeks. Some of the produce we had has lasted at least 2 weeks. This refrigerator is great. It's so cold and I love it. And today I'm just going to clean out all the expired foods or leftovers and make room for when I go to the store again. And I'm going to use some of this Clorox and clean it up a little bit, disinfect it again. And so that's basically what we're going to do today, and I hope y'all enjoy it. Maybe it'll give you a little bit of motivation to clean up your refrigerator too. Okay, I was just going to show you how I personalized my refrigerator. I'm so happy to have this refrigerator. But mainly I just put all of my old magnets on here. I decluttered a few that was getting tore and everything. And a little bit of the grandbaby's artwork up here. This is Diamond and KJ's artwork. And on this side I've got some more magnets and some things we've had on our refrigerator for a lot of years, and a few family pictures, a little coupon sheet, and some more artwork from the grandkids. And then on this side where my coffee maker is, I just put a few more magnets that I really like, and that's about it. And I know y'all have seen these refrigerators before, but I'm so excited to have a double door refrigerator. It was a little weird at first because things fit in this one a little different than they did in our other one. So it took some getting used to it to figure out how to put things in there. It's not super full right now. We've just got all these quick foods in here that we use in the summer when it's too hot to cook. And then on this side, one thing I love is this door stays open all by itself. My other one didn't do that. And I've got all this shelving in the doors for my condiments and my butter and whatever else, I might want to put in there. And then, of course, the produce drawer, which I need to clean out. And the drawer that my meat and cheeses and things like that go in. And all these shelves, I've got plenty of space for my yogurts and my milk and my leftovers and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to start cleaning up this refrigerator a little bit. It's probably going to look really empty when I'm done, but hopefully soon I can buy some groceries and fill it back up again.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, that's about it for today's video. I got my fridge cleaned out and cleaned up a little bit. And I'm just gonna do such a good job keeping this fridge clean because I love it so much. So y'all probably see me doing that again here in the near future. And hopefully pretty soon I can get some more groceries for this refrigerator. It don't take much for us. There's only the two of us. So I just wanted to wipe it down and get all the leftovers out of there. But I hope y'all have a good day and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.